Assalamu alaikum, dear subscribers. I dive into the challenge of uncovering the most popular AI YouTube channel ideas. Out there, let's see what I can find. Artificial intelligence is taking the world by storm, and content creation is no exception. With the rise of AI powered tools and algorithms, creators are finding new and innovative ways to produce engaging content for their audiences. And YouTube, being the largest video sharing platform, is the perfect stage for this AI driven revolution. When it comes to creating AI related content, many creators face a daunting challenge coming up with the unique and engaging ideas that resonate with their audience. It's not easy to stand out in a crowded space, especially when you are dealing with a rapidly evolving technology like AI. The pressure to consistently produce new and exciting content can be overwhelming, and it's no wonder that many creators struggle to keep their audience engaged. One of the biggest hurdle creators face in staying up to date with the latest advancement in AI. With new breakthroughs and discoveries being made daily, it's hard to know where to start or what to focus on. This can lead to a sense of information overload, making it difficult to pinpoint the most interesting and relevant topics to cover. Moreover, creators also struggle to make AI related content accessible to a broader audience. AI can be a complex and intimidating topic, and many viewers might not have the necessary background knowledge to fully understand the concepts being presented. This can lead to a disconnect between the creator and their audience, making it harder to build a loyal following. Another challenge creators face is finding the right tone and style of their AI related content. Should they focus on the technical aspects of AI or try to make it more entertaining and engaging? Should they use humor or take a more serious approach? Finding the right balance is crucial, but it's not always easy. AI has given birth to a wide range of YouTube channel ideas, each with its own unique twist and style. From AI generated art and music to AI powered product reviews and tutorials to possibilities are endless. For instance, you have channels like Amper Music, which uses AI to generate custom music tracks for videos and ads. Then there's Prisma, which uses AI-powered algorithms to transform your photos into works of art. These channels have gained massive followings and have shown that AI can be both entertaining and informative. Another popular AI YouTube channel ideas is AI-powered product reviews. Channels like Unbox Therapy. AI has also enabled a new wave of educational content creators. Channels like 3 Blue, 1 Brown, and Siraj Reval use AI to explain complex concepts in an easy to understand format, making learning fun and accessible to everyone. These channels have gained massive followings and have shown that AI can be a powerful tool for education. According to my research, the top 3 most popular AI YouTube channels ideas are AI generated content, AI powered product reviews, and AI driven educational content. These ideas resonate with audiences because they are informative, engaging, and often entertaining. They also differ from each other in terms of tone and style, making them appealing to a broad range of viewers. AI generated content is incredibly popular because it's often mesmerizing and thought provoking. Viewers love watching AI generated art, music, and videos, and many creators have built entire channels around this concept. AI powered products reviews are popular because they are informative and helpful, giving viewers an unbiased look at the latest products. AI driven educational content is popular because it's both informative and entertaining, making complex concepts easy to understand. Many creators have built entire channels around this concept, using AI to explain everything from machine learning to quantum computing. In conclusion, AI has opened up a world of possibilities for content creators on YouTube. From AI generated art to AI driven educational content, the options are endless. If you are a new creator looking to get into AI related content, I hope this video has given you some inspiration and ideas to get started. Thanks for watching, and if you have a favorite AI channel idea, please share it with me in the comments below. And if you want more insight on content creating, check out my next video for more tips and tricks. In Allah Hafiz.